So I got in the mail today an emergency radio. This looks pretty cool, actually. So what I want to see what this is all about here. You know, everybody really should have one of these in their homes. Looks like a strap. That's going to be the manual. But everybody should have one of these just because you never know if you're going to lose power. You know, they talk about these EMF bombs going off and different things like that. You know, if you lose power or there's no way to listen to anything, emergency radios or anything, you're in trouble. This here has a radio on there. So it looks like it's solar. It's also, this here is going to be hand crank. So you can crank up the power, the radio. Looks like there's a flashlight even on here too. Yeah, there's a flashlight. Oh, little lantern type thing. A three-way flashlight on there. That's kind of cool. Three-way flashlight. 1, 2, 3. Cool. You got a compass on there so you always know which way you're going. And I guess this is where you can hook this strap to here. But and this will change your dial, I think, on the radio, if I'm not mistaken. You can tune, you can lock it out. There's your charging power, so I've got to get this thing charged up. And and your clock, so you always have a clock. Your light, I have to read all of this here, see how all this works. But I'm going to take this out to utilize it. Looks like, oh, you got a USB on it too, so you can even charge up your phone or something on here too. Hey, now that's really cool. There's a USB-C, and looks like that's probably like maybe a 12-volt adapter, if I'm reading that right. Oh, that says ear. Maybe that's for headphones. Oh, I guess that's the headphones. There's, oh, it tells you right there. Duh. There's Type C, and there's a USB charger. This is a mic. Yeah, pretty cool. And, oh, what's this? A little screwdriver. I'm not sure what that's for. There's a little screwdriver in there for some reason. Man, they give you everything on this thing here. I have to read the directions because I don't know what that little screwdriver there is for. But anyways, everybody should have one of these in their homes. This is excellent for camping. It's got weather radio on it too. FM, AM weather radio with emergency alarm on it. So, like I say, this would be perfect for camping. Taking this, so this will fit in your backpack. It's lightweight. So, this is pretty cool. So, I'll leave you a link down below on how you can check one of these out. But, yeah, this is awesome. Pretty cool. I like this. I like it. Check them out. Okay, turn that on. You just push the button right there. That comes on. Time. Okay, I'm in SW. There's all your modes. There's a band right there, so you can press the band. 162. Oh, I think that's weather.
Midnight.
Yeah.
Tuesday.
That's weather. Oh, well, that's cool.
5 to 15.
So you've got, there's FM. Just turn that, find your FM station. Okay, that's MW. Well, maybe AM, SW, shortwave band. Wow. And just push that button right there to turn it off and on. That's what that is, kind of helps you from that protection there. But you've got tuners, you've got the volumes up and down. It's got some nice functions on this here. It's pretty sweet. Speaker right there built in. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So what I'm going to do is go get this thing completely charged up. And that's pretty cool, though. So when you're backpacking, though, you got the solar, so you can leave it out in the sun. And then it will have the charger in there, so you can charge your phones and stuff up, too. So, hey, that's pretty cool. But I'm going to go get this thing all charged up right now because I can see I'm not fully charged.
All right, so I've got this plugged in. You can see that it is now charging.